Vacuum cleaner is everyone's best friend, especially for parents with kids. It is easy to use and help a lot when cleaning your house. It can suck every dirt and dust on your house in minutes. There are a lot of types of vacuum cleaner nowadays, from cordless, corded, handheld, stick, robot, wet and dry. On today's video, we have listed some best vacuum cleaners from Dyson to Shark. This cordless vacuum cleaner from Dyson can clean your house better on all surfaces. It is quieter and has a properly maintained runtime of over 40 minutes on the seriously capable auto power mode. This pricey vacuum cleaner also has an LCD screen which tells you the exact runtime remaining, where blockages are located and how to clear them. This cordless vacuum cleaner from Shark is still expensive, but it has excellent performance in cleaning on a range of different floor types and comes with a huge arsenal of tools. The two batteries on this device can support the 60 minutes runtime. This vacuum cleaner also comes with a time boost mode and multiple tools, including an anti-allergen dust brush. It also has a light on the floor head, so you can see any dirt that has been cleared by this amazing vacuum cleaner. The flexology wand on this cleaning device also makes the device easy to storage. For those who have allergy to dirt, you can activate the anti-allergen seal and anti-allergen brush of this vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner comes with a good-looking 270-degree handle. This Redmi S1e is lightweight and easy to carry and use in both stick cleaner or handheld mode. This vacuum cleaner also comes with a good selection of tools, including a motorized mattress brush to make upholstery cleaning easy. This stylish vacuum cleaner is a useful runtime of 40 minutes that is perfect for daily cleaning. This vacuum cleaner is a perfect piece for pet owners since it can clearing your pet's hair and fur from the carpet in no time, thanks to the mini turbo tool. The turbo tool also makes cleaning stairs become an easy task. Not only that it has turbo tool, but it also supports by edge lift 700 lift away mode, which lightens the carrying load. This corded vacuum cleaner from Hoover also comes with a large capacity bin, a 2.5-meter hose, and 8-meter power cable, 3 different cleaning modes, and great selections of tools. Those features also come with price, so make sure that you plan ahead before buying this vacuum cleaner. This powerful corded vacuum cleaner from Shark is packed with Shark's anti-hair wrap tag that prevents hair and fur tangled around the brush. It also packed with selected tools, including a car detailing kit, dollhouse-sized mini tools, and a long under appliance tool. This vacuum cleaner also has Shark's regular tools such as an air-powered turbo brush.